So now JEE Main is finally over or will get over very soon. Irrespective of that, now it's the time to shift to other exams. Now you guys are prioritizing different exams and most of you are prioritizing exams like BITSAT and UGEE, but it's absolutely important to have as many backup options as possible, because at the end of the day when you'll sit for counseling, you should have all the possible options open to you so that you can decide which one is best for you. And Manipal is one such college which is really a decent backup. In these last few days, if you keep certain things in your mind and prepare yourself according to the paper pattern of MET, then you can score really well in the Manipal MET exam. And if you can manage to grab computer science and AI as well as electronics in this college, it will be a very good backup option for you. So let's quickly talk about the pattern of MET as well as what are the resources that you need to use in the end days to prepare yourself 100% for MET. Starting with the very first thing, as you guys must know that Manipal also organizes MET in 2 phases. That is phase 1 and phase 2. So अगर दोनों ही phases के लिए बैठ रहे हो, it's the best case scenario. You'll get to experience Manipal in the first phase. Then even if your preparation is weak, you can do really well in the second phase. Now it is very important for you to know the pattern of MET. Then only you will be able to perform very well in this exam. This exam is similar to JEE in some aspects as well as very different from JEE in some other aspects. So let's talk about similarity first. The number one thing, like that of JEE, you get numerical questions in Manipal MET as well. There are few MCQ questions and few numerical questions as that of JEE. Now another similarity is that for MCQ questions, you get +4 marks and -1 for every wrong answer that you do. Now let's talk about what's different. The number one thing that is different is the time that you get. For JEE you get 3 hours, but in MET you get just 2 hours. In JEE there are 75 questions, in MET there are 60 questions. इसके अलावा unlike that of JEE, there is no negative marking in the numerical section of Manipal. Also there is one more subject apart from PCM, that is English, similar to that of BITSAT. There is no logical reasoning, but there is only English. So this is something you should remember. So Bhaiya, what exactly is the breakdown of questions? There are 20 questions in maths, out of which 15 questions are MCQ, 5 questions are numerical. Similarly for physics and chemistry, there are total 15 questions, out of which 10 questions are MCQ and 5 questions each of numerical type. And finally English has 10 questions. So this is the overall breakdown of Manipal MET ka paper. So now let's talk about the important points that you need to keep in your mind. Now the very first point is that since there are less number of questions, 12th ka portion generally dominates the most in MET. So if you are revising, make sure to revise the 12th wala parts more properly. Since also there is less amount of questions, make sure to do important chapters first, क्योंकि सारे chapters से questions नहीं आने वाले, and the important chapters का list is going to be very standard. 11th and 12th both are important, but 12th is slightly more important than 11th. So make sure to revise all the important chapters of 11th as well as 12th. If you want to know the priority list of chapters, you can follow the Phodu BITSAT tracker, which you can get on the dashboard of Phodu Club once you log in the website. We have made that for BITSAT, but it can be applied for MET as well. So you can follow that if you are confused that what are actually the important chapters and what priority list I should follow while revising. The next and the most important thing that I already mentioned is English. The importance of English is immense. Imagine doing negative marking in English, how many marks you will lose in English. And imagine doing questions correctly in English, imagine how many free K marks you can actually gain. So there are 2 ways in which you can actually practice English question, and the second one is super important, which I'll talk ahead in the video, but let's talk about the first one. So in the Phodu Club ka dashboard only, you will get free practice questions of English and logical reasoning. So most of you are already preparing for BITSAT, and if you're just preparing for MET, just solve the English K questions on a daily basis till your MET exam. In this way, you will be familiarized with the English K questions and you can do well on the final paper. So this is something you can do in the end days to build your practice properly. 40K free K marks hai, do not ignore it. Now one of the most important doubts that students have is what is the level of questions in MET. A lot of you are very confused. I'll tell you this very frankly. The level of questions is easy and medium level questions of JEE Main. The questions are very standard, as you already practiced over the 2 years. You have solved your coaching modules, you have solved many books, you have solved many different DPPs as well. So whatever the standard type of questions that you have practiced, those kind of questions will be only asked in MET. And because of this, average students are also able to perform very well in MET, and that is the reason cutoffs थोड़े से high होते हैं, especially for computer science and electronics. So make sure your NCERT के concepts are properly cleared, as well as you remember all the basic formulas and definitions. If you have made your short notes well and good, otherwise you can use the revision notes of Phodu Club. These are very well prepared, colorful, aesthetic notes specially made for you guys. इसका भी link you will get in the description, or you can search it on Google, you will find it. Utilize those notes to revise all the concepts as well as formulas, and you'll be good to go. So if you want to grab a very good branch, ideally computer science in Manipal, then the number one thing that is going to help you is your accuracy. Since the number of questions are less, as well as time is also less, but overall questions are pretty standard. If you have studied decently, you'll be able to solve those questions. Just make sure you do not panic. You are very calm while giving the paper, and you'll be able to do very well. When you'll go and give your MET ka paper, you'll feel all questions are very familiar, but still you are not able to do that. Why? Because of exam temperament as well as poor accuracy. So in the last days, it is very important that you solve few mock tests of MET so that you are 100% prepared from the exam pattern, as well as the interface of exam pattern, as it is different from that of JEE. Also, the most important thing I told you, English. You are able to solve English in the pressures ka situation and assess yourself that how you are performing and how you can improve in the actual paper, as well as build your exam temperament properly in the end ke days. So it is very important to give good quality mock tests. We at Phodu Club have already designed best set of 5 mock tests for you guys. We know you already are preparing for other major exams as well, so बहुत ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 5 mock tests if you give before the exam, you'll be good to go. You also have phase 2, so you can give few mock tests before phase 2 as well. What you get in the Phodu Club mock test, you get exact level of questions that you are going to get in MET, exact paper pattern that is followed in MET obviously. It's called the most important thing which you will find nowhere, in no other platform. That is the same interface as that of MET. Most of the other platforms follow a standard template, but we have the original template for each exam. So if you sit for 2 hours and practice properly, you will be properly familiarized with the exam pattern as well as the interface of Manipal. And when you'll finally go and give your Manipal ka paper, you'll feel very familiar, and you'll feel कि यार ऐसे तो मैंने mock test ही दिए थे, and it will be a very similar experience. So what I'll recommend कि definitely give few mock tests before the exam. That is extremely going to help you before your Manipal. As such कुछ भी extra करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Whatever you have been doing for JEE, for BITSAT, as well as for your other state exams, keep doing that. इसके साथ बस mock test दे दो and you will be pretty sorted. Now this was all about MET. If you want a video for VIT, EEE, COMED, K, UGW, do let us know in the comment section and we'll make a similar video for you guys. Wish you all the very best, and as always, साथ में फोड़ेंगे.